Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explain what auto insurance is and how it works. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. What is auto insurance? Auto insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a fee called a premium, and in return the company helps pay for cost if you have an accident or your car gets damaged or stolen. Why do you need auto insurance? Auto insurance is important because it gives you financial protection. Accidents can happen anytime and they can be very expensive. With auto insurance, you don't have to worry about paying all the costs yourself. How does auto insurance works? When you buy auto insurance, you agree to pay a premium every month or year. If you have an accident or your car is damaged, you file a claim with your insurance company. They will review your claim, and if it's approved, they will pay for the repairs or replacement, depending on your policy. Type of auto insurance coverage. Liability coverage. Required by law, it pays for damage and injuries you cause to others. Collision coverage. Optionals. It covers damage to your car from collisions. Comprehensive coverage. Optionals. It covers non-collision damage like theft or natural disasters. Personal Injury Protection (PIP) covers medical costs for you and your passengers. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage protects you if the other drivers lack enough insurance. In summary, auto insurance is essential for financial protection and peace of mind. It helps cover the cost of accident and damage to your car. Knowing the different type of coverage can help you choose the best policy for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share it with others who might benefit.